Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Granby local and long distance movers near me. Long distance relocations within Granby CT require the services of skilled movers and expert drivers, especially if you're moving to a congested neighborhood. Our drivers will deliver the best possible moving experience you can imagine when you patronize us. Your belongings will remain intact throughout the trip to your new office or home. However, if any accident happens, causing damages to any of your properties, our insurance coverage will take care of it. All our long-distance moving vehicles are convenient and in the best condition. We subject them to regular checkups and maintenance to give our clients nothing but the best. Our clients in Granby can testify to the efficiency of our services. Unlike long-distance relocations, local relocations involve less than 50 miles from your current home to the new one. It is intrastate and is less complicated than long-distance moves. Besides the reduced complexity, it is also less expensive. We charge an hourly rate of $30 to $40 for local moves in Granby. Our drivers know how to successfully navigate the busy roads in Granby without risking the safety of your possessions. We assure you of the best local moving services when you partner with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Granby moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.